Hello everyone, welcome to Akshara IT Foundation. This is Synop from Maths faculty. Let us go to the today's class. Today we are going to discuss about the problems based on triangles. Okay, right. So synopsis 2 exercise problems we are in already. We completed some of the problems. Let us go to the 7th problem. Here the problem is given that in the given figure, AB is equals to BC and AC equals to AD. Then angle BAD equals to Y, then angle ADB is equals to X, then Y value we need to find. Let us take the triangle ABC here. So it is given that AB equals to BC. So AB length, BC length equal. So in a triangle, two sides are having an equal length. We can consider this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay. And also AC length equals to CD length. AC length equals to CD length, but CD is not given. So actually the diagram has to be given for this question. So actually it is a misprint, so we need to go to the next problem. Okay. So in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC. In triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC. Okay. So D is the midpoint of BC. And DM and DN are the perpendiculars on AB and AC. DM is perpendicular to AB and DN is perpendicular to AC. Okay, so DM, DN. Right? Next. So then DM equals to DN. So we have the equal lengths like DM and DN. So DM length, DN length both are equal. Then triangle ABC is which type of triangle it is? See here from this given figure, while you are observing here, D is the midpoint of BC. That means BD length, DC length both are equal. Okay na? BD length, DC length both are equal. Now from this figure I can identify the two triangles. Like first triangle is BMD. That means in triangle BMD and the second triangle DNC. Two triangles I have to separate. While you are observing these two triangles having a right angle, here right angle at M and here right angle at N because of perpendicular line. DM is a perpendicular line, that is nothing but at the point of contact we should take that 90 degrees angle. So from this we can write angle M equals to angle N equals to 90 degrees. Okay, right. And also we know that DM and DN both are equal. DM length, DN length are equal. It is already given. And also BD length equals to DC length. BD length equals to DC length. So to prove any two triangles are congruent, we need minimum 3 measurements. So what are the 3 measurements here? Right angle, hypotenuse and one of the side. This BD will be the hypotenuse of right angle because the hypotenuse is always opposite to the right angle. Nothing but largest side in the right angle triangle. So from this we can say that these two triangles are congruent. That means triangle BMD is congruent to triangle DNC. So BMD congruent to CND. Triangle CND. That means while you are observing these two triangles are congruent, we can say that the corresponding parts are equal. What are the corresponding parts? All the angles are equal and all its corresponding sides are equal. Nothing but angle B equals to angle C. That means angle B equals to angle C and angle M equals to angle N and angle D equals to angle D. So from this we have identified that angle B equals to angle C. That means in a triangle ABC, two angles are equal. The two angles are equal, we can consider that is a isosceles triangle. So we can write this one as isosceles triangle. Okay, na? Here? Yes. Let us go to the next problem. That is problem number 9. Which of the following is not a criterion of a congruence? So we have already discussed some set of congruent triangles are there. The congruent rules are SSS, triple S congruence, side congruence, and SAS congruence, ASA congruence, RHS. These are the four important congruents. And one more congruent rule is AAS, angle, and side. Okay? These are 5 congruent rules. So let us go through the option which is not in this congruent rule. So first option is SAS. Yes, it is given. It is a congruence rule. We can taken by two triangles. Next, AAS. Yeah, last one also there congruent rule. SSA. SSA is not there. We have only the order triple S, SAS. That means this must be including angle between them. ASA, S is a included side. RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and one of the side. And here AS, two angles and any side we can take. But SSA criterion is not there. So our option is 3. Okay? So ninth question option, wrong option is SSA. SSA criterion is not available. Let us go to the problem number 10. Okay, so the 10th problem is given that there is a diagram is given. So let me draw the diagram. So ABC triangle and BP. So like ABC triangle is given, here B2P, one line segment is given. And the markings while you are observing, AB length equals to AC length. That means ABC can be isosceles triangle, because in a triangle any two sides equal we can consider as isosceles triangle. And also BC also. Am I right? So we can consider it as an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal triangle. But let us go to the question first before that. So in a triangle adjoining figure is triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABC equilateral triangle means all the sides are in equal measure, equal length, and all the angles are in equal measure. Nothing but all angles are 60 degrees. Okay, if P is any point on AC, then what is the following options are true? BP length is greater than PA length or not? BP length, this one, BP length is greater than PA or not? Okay, or second option, angle ACB is 60 degrees. ACB 60 degrees. Yes, it is correct option. Because if a triangle having all the sides are equal, we can consider each angle is 60 degrees in equilateral triangle. And third one, BP is greater than PA. BP is greater than PA. First option and third options are same. All of these. BP is greater than PA, 60 degrees, yes. First option, third option are same. But before that, second option is true, already we know that. Let us check that first option is true or not. Okay. Now, while you are observing that, we can use the property of triangle here. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, na? Now see here, AB plus AP is greater than BP. But we don't know the length of this side. BP length we don't know. But let us check the possibilities are there. So the relation while you are observing here, if you take this one 60 degrees, all angles are 60 degrees. Yeah, if you take this one, now look at that. If you take the triangle ABP, AB and BP are equal, two sides are equal, then angle ABP, this angle ABP and angle APB, both are equal angles because of isosceles triangle. These two angles are equal. Okay, now these two angles are equal means it will be the vertex angle. Vertex angle how much? 60 degrees. Vertex angle is 6 degrees. Then this one, both angles are equal, no, base angle, these two also 6 degrees. So from this we can say that all angles are 60 degrees. We can consider it is also an equilateral triangle. That means BP length also equal. BP length also equal. Okay, na? But here you should understand that here it is given that AB equals to AC but not AP. That is, you have to mind it. So let me draw the diagram once again. So triangle ABC we have taken. All the sides are in equal length and all the angles are in equal measure. It is angle P. See, BP is a line segment. Now consider this. 60 degrees. This is also 60 degrees. And what about these two? This entire angle is 60 degrees. But it is dividing into two parts. We don't know the measure of each one also. So we cannot say that BP is greater than AP or not. We cannot say exactly. But the second option is true. Angle C is equals to 60 degrees. Okay, no? Yeah. Let us go to the next problem. That is nothing but the 11th problem is one of the diagram is given. Triangle ABC, AD is a median and median to BC and AD is produced to E. That means AD is also increased, it seems. Triangle ABC. AD is the median. AD is the median and this AD is produced to E. This AD is produced to E. That means it is extended to E. Okay. And it is given that AC is parallel to BE. AC is parallel to BE. So from this we can take that AC is parallel to BE. So whenever you observe the parallel lines, you should have an idea about the transversal line. Okay, na? So then we need to find the which of the following option is true. Let me write the options are here. So first one is AD equals to BE, first option. AD equals to BE and the second option is AC equals to DC. AC equals to DC and the third option is AD equal to DE and the fourth option is AB equals to AC. So let us check which of the following option is true. Okay. Now AD equals to BE, it seems. AD and BE. AD length, BE length. Do you find any relation between them? We know that AD is a median. So it can be produced to any other distance. We don't know exact distance what it is produced. So we cannot say exactly AD length equals to BE length or not. Okay, na? Right. Because it is a parallel line also, we cannot consider it as angles. We can say easily by using the transversal concept. Okay, next AC equals to DC. AC length, DC length. It is given that ABC is a triangle, but it is not mentioned whether it is isosceles triangle, equal to triangle like that. Okay. So it is, yeah, just a triangle it is given. So from this you should take that BD equals to DE. That's it. Okay, now BD equals to DE. Next, AD equals to DE. AD length, DE length equal or not. So, but here given that oppositely vertical opposite angles are equal and these two angles also equal. Alternate angles according to the transversal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Okay, AB equals to AC. What about that AB and AC line segments? So, from this while you are observing, we need to use any one of the property like, we can use that congruence rule. Let us use the congruence rule. I am taking that 1 and 2. These two as a triangles. Now I am taking in triangle ADC. ADC is a triangle as well as BDE is a triangle. BDE is a triangle. So from this we know that D is a midpoint. Therefore BD distance, DE distance equal. So DC is equals to BD. First measurement is equal. Now coming to the second measurement, this angle, vertically opposite angles BDE and CDA. CDA angle and BDE angle both are equal because of vertically opposite angles are equal. Now let us find the third angle here. Angle E is equals to angle A because of alternate angles at transversal. If you take these two are parallel lines, if you consider AE as a transversal, alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate interior angles. So from this we can say that triangle ADC is congruent to ADC, A to D, D to C. ADC is congruent to, or DCA congruent to, DCA congruent to DBE. DBE. So nothing but EDB. Okay, angle A is equal to angle D, no? Right. So from this we can say that AD length equals to DE length. AD length, DE length equal. Third option. Or you can say take that AC length, BE length equal. AC not given. AD equals to DE. Like, that's it. Only the third option is true. By congruent rule. AAS congruent rule. Okay, na? So let us check the previous one also. We'll get that congruent rule or not. We can take the congruent rules here. Let us try to take the congruent rule here. Let me apply the congruent rule. So that is, I am taking the triangle 1 and triangle 2. So in triangle ABP and triangle BPC, if you take two triangles, angle C is equal to angle A, we can take angle C equals to angle A because of 60 degrees angles. All angles are 60 degrees in equilateral angle. And BP equals to BP common side. BP equals to BP is a common side. And BC equals to AB. BC equals to, BC equals to AB. While you are observing two measurements, that means two sides, but included angle is not given here. So here two sides, it is not an including angle. So we need to, we cannot prove that, because two sides and including angle means SAS criterion should become, but we are not getting any including angle here. So we cannot say that one. Okay, na? Right. Now let us go to the problem number 12, I think so. In the given diagram from below, triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 70 degrees, angle C is equals to 50 degrees. Let me draw the diagram. 12th one, ABC is a triangle, AD is a line segment is given here 70 degrees angle B and angle C equals to 50 degrees. And AD is the bisector of angle A. Bisector is nothing but it is dividing into two equal parts. These two angles are equal. Then which of the following is true? Okay. Here X, here Y is taken. Which of the following is true? Let us go through the options. AB greater than AD. First option is AB greater than AD. And the second option, AD greater than CD. AD is greater than CD. And third, AB less than AD. AB is less than AD, and both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2. Okay, na? So let us check this. So while identifying this one, AB and AD. So AB, AD, about it given this. Let us see. So before that, let us find the angle at A. Total angle A is equal to 70 plus 50, 120. then angle A will be 60 degrees. Angle A will be 60 degrees because sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, na? So from this it is angular bisector. So angle X is 30 and this one was 30, dividing into two equal parts. Now while you are observing here, what is the value of Y? Y can be 80 degrees in this triangle. That means in the triangle ABD, in this triangle we know two angles 70 and 30, 100, and it will be 80 degrees. Okay, na? So we already discussed that the angle opposite to largest side is larger, the angle opposite to smallest side is smaller angle. So from this here, AB is the highest length which is in this triangle. That means we can say that AB is greater than AD, because AD opposite side AB is greater than. Next, AD is greater than CD or not? AD and CD in this triangle. So what about this angle here? 100 will be, because of a linear pair. So in this triangle, second triangle, this triangle AC is greater angle is AC. So CD is asking about, CD is greater than AD or not? CD is opposite to 30 degrees and AD is opposite to 70 degrees. So obviously AD is greater than CD. Okay, na? Next, AB less than AD. AB and AD. AB is less than AD, wrong, it is false. So first two options are correct. Okay, now the largest angle is exactly opposite to the largest side. Right, so let us go to the problem number 13, that is, so in the given figure AB equals to AC and BD equals to CD, then which of the following options are true? So let us take the diagram here, 13th one. So triangle is given that ABC. Yeah, ABC is a triangle and D, A to D, B to D and C to D is connecting like this, and here BD length, CD length equal and AB length, AC length equal. That means while you are taking that ABC is an isosceles triangle, same way BDC also an isosceles triangle. Now which of the following are false? False statement we should find. Let us see the options here. ABD, angle ABD equals to angle ACD. ABD, ACD are equal, it seems. Second option, DBC, angle DBC equals to angle DCB. DCB both are equal, it seems. Next, angle ADB equals to angle BDC. And fourth option is ADB not equals to BDC. ADB not equals to BDC. Okay, na? Yeah, these are the four options. Let us check one by one. So first we are observing that ABD and ACD. ABD means this angle. ABD and ACD, this one, these two are equal. Now while you are observing here, in triangle ABC, AB length, AC length equal. So entire angle B, the total angle B and angle C equal. At the same time, here in triangle BDC also, BD length, DC length equal. We can consider these two angles also equal. These two also equal. Okay, na? These two also equal angles. The entire angles also equal angles. So first option is true. Both are equal angles. Entire angles are equal, but means from the total we have taken that equals, then remaining parts are equal, right? Same way. Next, DBC and DCB. DBC, DCB, that is also equal because BDC is an isosceles triangle. Next, ADB equals to ADC. ADB equals to BDC. ADB, BDC. Yeah, ADB this angle and BDC this angle. Both are equal, it seems. So to proving that, we need to take these two triangles 1 and 2. So this is a common side and these two are equal. Last, ADB not equal to BDC. Yeah, only the option is ADB not equals to BDC is incorrect option, because we cannot say these two angles are equal. If you want to take, you can take these two angles can be equal. Okay, let us try. Let us try both of them. Like if you take these two angles, right? First triangle and second triangle, AD is a common side. First measurement we got. Okay, AB equals to AC. Second measurement also we got. And BD equals to BC. Third measurement also we got. By triple S criterion, we can say that angle ABD is congruent to angle ACD. Okay, na? So from this we can say that angle ADB, that means this angle at D are equal. So both sides, these two are equal. These two are equal. What about these two? What about these two? These two are not equal. So this is our correct answer. Okay, na? Okay, right. That's it for today, children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.